AK sir, your English language tutor.
Gonna, going to, gonna. I'm gonna talk to him. Gotta, got to, gotta. I have gotta go. Wanna, want to, wanna. I wanna marry you. Let me, let me, let me. Let me go. Give me, give me, give me. Give me a break. Outer, out of, outer. Get out of here. What do you? What do you? What do you? What do you do here? Don't know. Don't know. Don't know. I don't know about him. Have to. Have to. Have to. I had to talk to her. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on, man. Cause. Because. Cause. Cause I don't know her. Summer. Some more. Summer. Some more, please. Did you? Did you? Did you? Did you invite her? Gotcha. Got you. Gotcha. Gotcha. Don't ya? Don't you? Don't ya? Don't you want to marry? Thank you for watching this video. Please like, share and subscribe for more informative videos.